You just survived a meltdown. Your child is physically drained, and you? You feel like you've run a marathon. But here is the secret most parenting books miss. The meltdown isn't the end of the connection, it's a cry for it. Instead of retreating, let's use these next 2 minutes to reset the love tank. Step 1. The physical bridge. When a child is upset, they feel small and scared. Standing over them makes you a giant, kneeling makes you a safe harbor. Get on their eye level. Step 2. The co-regulation, breath. Your nervous system is the thermostat for their emotions. If you breathe deeply, they will eventually match your pace. Do not speak yet, just breathe. Step 3. The micro gesture. Don't ask, why did you do that? Instead, say, I'm here. We're okay. Add that silly touch, a nose boop or a gentle hair stroke, to break the tension. Why does this work? Because when a child is in a meltdown, their logical brain is offline. They can't understand your logic, but they can feel your safety. By doing this reset, you aren't rewarding bad behavior. You are teaching them that no emotion is too big for your relationship to handle. Next time, instead of walking away to cool off, try the reset. It takes 120 seconds, but the impact lasts a lifetime. Subscribe to Play and Bond for more simple, zero prep ways to nurture the connection. You're doing a great job.